Good morning, Kootenai Pirates. Today is Tuesday, the 26th of May. Wow, this is going by. There's snow on Schweitzer right now. Crazy. And my backyard is filled with water. The rain has turned my play yard into a puddle boot. That's all you can do is wear your big puddle boots. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. We actually went camping with our family and spent some time on a little lake, and the girls got to kayak and I got to kayak. Mr. Travers got to kayak. It was so fun. And we needed it. We needed to be away from the farm for a little while. I feel like all I do since I have extra time is shovel manure out of the pens. Well, and since I was gone for the weekend, guess what I need to do now? Lots of shoveling. I hope that you were able to keep up last week. It was kind of weird. Having no work on Monday, no work on Tuesday, but then I forgot and put some work down for you. So if you're not caught up with the last couple days of things, go back to the video email for 5.22.2020, and that will give you the catch-up work so that you're not skipping something that's important. Okay, so daily 5 choice: read to self, read with someone. I'd like to know that you're reading rather than just listening to reading the whole time. Your ECRI lessons are, today is Unit 4, Week 5, and I think you should be on Day 4. So, Day 4, oh, that's Day 5. So your story for Day 4 is called Cowboy Roy. And remember, Clara and Betty actually asked me the other day, what are irregular words, Mom? Why are you doing irregular? What does that mean? And those are words that are trickier to sound out because they have different sounds than what we are practicing and what we teach, like in kindergarten and first grade. Like the word young has young, except it's Y-O-U-N-G. So see how that's different and it doesn't fit? Great. It has the A sound, but it's spelled E-A. So these don't match up. So these are kind of like sight words that you just have to read and practice reading over and over. So if you don't know them, don't try to sound them out very like you can't. Because for gone, you would say gone because it's G-O-N-E. So if you're not able to read those, have someone read them for you and repeat. Read one, repeat. That gives your brain that 3. You hear it, you see it, you say it. So give your brain that opportunity to do all 3, please. Okay. And again, the story today is about Cowboy Roy. If you don't have a book that you're reading right now, then go read Cowboy Roy as your daily 5. And go read all those stories in your ECRI packet. That will give you appropriate second grade reading material to practice with for 15 minutes or 20 minutes. All right. For writing today, you could write the journal prompt of Top 10 Tuesday. Write a list of 10 of your top or favorite restaurants. That would be kind of fun to do because pretty soon all the restaurants will be opening, and then you'll have a priority list that you can start graciously asking your parents to take you to. Free choice journal if that one doesn't work for you. And don't forget to work in that little yearbook. What's something kind of fun? What was second grade like? It was such a short year. I'm kind of curious about this one. It was funny when my teacher, I think there's not enough room here. Like, I bet there's some funny things that could go on longer and longer and longer. But math today, page 716, lesson check. And then you're going to be building three-dimensional shapes. So you might have to read the vocabulary page again. Remember, the vocabulary are these flashcards in the green band. They're on page almost 705, but it's in the 704s. And then it says vocabulary: angle, cone, cube, cylinder, edge, and then it has pictures so you can see on the back. You can cut those out if you need to. That's the word I was just thinking of. Sphere. Oh, cool. So it says, how can you build a rectangular prism? Circle the shapes with curved surfaces. Draw an X on the shape with flat surfaces. So we're looking for curves and flats. So I see 3 curves and 2 flats. Let's name these shapes: cone, rectangular prism, sphere, cylinder, square. Okay. So today you're going to build rectangular prisms using 12 unit cubes, or however many unit cubes they tell you. So it's like stacking blocks to build a bigger shape. So this one's going to ask you to use just 9 cubes and so once you build a shape with 9 cubes, what's it going to look like on the top and what's it going to look like on the bottom? And I think this might be tricky. So if you have blocks at home, grab them. Even if they're Legos, I think you could still kind of count the Legos as you do it with 9, and then you could build it. It doesn't quite look like it doesn't have the flat surfaces, but I think it will help you. What else could you use if you don't have Legos or blocks? If you think of something, let me know. So this one is using 12 cubes. It used 6 on top and 6 on the bottom. So when you're looking at the shading, you're going to draw the shading. You're going to look down on your shape and count how many you see on the top, and then you're going to shade it in. And see, here's the front view. That's the front view. There's only 4 on the front view, but on the top you see 2, 4, 6. It's going to be a little bit challenging, so if you have a model that you can make, I think you'll find more success. Okay? And you're just going to do those 3 pages today. Okay. All right, guys, this is the home stretch. The home stretch. You've got this. Stay focused. Luckily, it's kind of overcast today, so you have some time probably to get a little bit of schoolwork done. Stay strong. Keep up the great work. You want to keep getting your skills better and better to be prepared for third grade. Okay? I haven't done any in the other math book yet, but I think I'll just keep including those learning videos, or I'll put a link in where you can access all those videos. That's probably what I'll do. I miss you guys. Okay, I hope that everybody's healthy. You can email me back. I get emails from Delaney. I love it. Thanks, Delaney. I'm in the process of going through all your packets that you've turned in. So I'm going to be sending home on June 1st, which is next Monday. Boy, I have a lot of work to do. Your journals and your Earth Day things that you did, they look so great. Good job, you guys. So that's what I'm working on during the days, but I'm available if you need me. Okay, peace out.